Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pull the cover to remove it. Remove the wing nuts.
Turn this counterclockwise to remove it.
Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
Disconnect the bulb housing. Press the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. You may need to use some force to get the bulb housing back in place. You should hear it connect to the vehicle.
Replace the wing nuts.
Turn this clockwise to replace it.
Replace the wing nut. Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and swinging it back in place.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.